What's up guys? Are you looking for a roof for your Kawasaki KRX 1000? Well, SuperATV has you covered with a heavy duty, made in the USA aluminum roof, and today we're going to show you how to get it installed. Let's get right to it. So the first thing we're going to do is remove our factory roof. Next thing you're going to do is grab the gasket out of the kit and apply it to the cage. Once you have your seal on, just go ahead and put the roof in place. Then you're going to open up your contents for your hardware. You're going to have these black clamps. It's going to have hardware in it. You're just going to want to remove them. Just discard them completely. You're going to grab your hardware bag and you're going to grab your screws and you're going to install your sealing washers to them just like so. Now we're going to get the hardware installed to the machine. So next we're going to grab the spacer that's in the kit, as well as one of our screws and one of our nylocks. So this front hole right here, get your spacer lined up. You're going to line it up with the hole on the cage. Once you have all your hardware tightened down, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's heavy-duty aluminum roof on this Kawasaki KRX 1000. Be sure to check the description for a link to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.